Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ninja channel. We're going to look at JASMY coin right now. JASMY coin right now, starting the weekly time frame. So this thing is down. If from a year ago today, it's down 90x. So if you took if you put $1 in and then went back to the price it was a year ago today, you have $90. Now I'm not saying that I don't think it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's down and basically 99% from a year ago today. Weekly chart is ready for a move to the upside. I really don't think you can lose the level of 304.00304 and have any chance of this surviving because the measure move to the downside was 14.3. I've been saying that now for a few months and you keep testing that level. The 3-day chart, weekly chart looks good, but the 3-day chart already is putting in a lower high unless you get above 396. So that doesn't look good to me on JASMY. The daily chart is completely overbought and it's pinned now at the top of the channel. It's trying to cross that 21-day moving average right there on the daily chart. We'll see what can happen. Now, the smaller time frames, the 4-hour chart would suggest 4-hour chart. If you don't break, that's almost a double top there at 38.1. So if you don't break 38.1, you're bearish. 4-hour chart has a little more steam, so we'll see what can happen. The 4-hour chart has to save you. The 1-hour chart would suggest, though, you're putting in a higher low. 1-hour chart would suggest you're going to start a slow grind to the upside, and your next resistance is 434. So 1-hour chart looks good. 4-hour chart, it looks all right. The 15-minute chart looks as good as the 1-hour chart. So 4-hour chart and below would have to save you. And if you want to be bullish, and you have to minimally, you would have to break, in my opinion, 38.1 and put in a higher high. You can't put in a double top, so you have to break, we'll say 38.2. You have to break 38.2 to be bullish at all on JASMY. If you break 38.2, we can start talking about a bigger move to the upside. I'll put an alert at 38.2. If you don't break 38.2, I would be looking for a bigger move to the downside on JASMY based on the daily chart and the 3-day chart. So weekly chart would suggest you can keep going up as well, but 3-day chart I think needs to come down a little bit before it keeps going up because it's completely overbought. So that's why I'm looking for JASMY. If you don't break 38.1, look for more downside back to 359. If you break 359, look for 309 as support, or 304 as support. If you lose that level, which is a long ways away, I suppose, then 14.3 is your next support. If you break out to the upside, 434 is the next target to the upside. Keep it simple. If you don't break 38.1, you can't see 43.4. If you guys enjoy this analysis, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with friends. I'll see you guys in the next update.